Tornado in Angus, just coming around the bend. Be up here by the high school with all the damage.
Natural ingredients in skin fix help relieve skin irritations like eczema, chronic dry skin, and rashes all over the body. Dermatologist and pediatrician tested skin fix. Now launching body repair and rapid repair balm at Superstore and Shoppers Drug Mart. Checking some regional weather conditions in Brampton this morning.
Across the road, right in front of me.
19 degrees. Towards Guelph, a cloudy sky, 16. Right now in downtown Toronto, we have a mix of sun and cloud, 16 degrees. This is 680 News.
It's 7 o'clock from the 680 News Broadcast Center in downtown Toronto.
And then right over the school.
Good morning. This is Wednesday, the 18th of June.
Here's what's making news this hour. This is Jamie Pulver. Death confirmed by Environment Canada, ripping through Angus near Barrie. The storm bringing down hydro poles in the GTA. Crews working to restore power all over.
This is Carl Hansky in